Vegan for the Holidays, the cookbook for everyone who loves to cook festive foods and make holiday meals a dining extravaganza. This is my Pistachio Sweet Pea Torte. I turn to legumes and whole grains to put a gorgeous and very hearty main dish on the holiday table. I've made this delicious savory dish with green peas, brown rice, onions, carrots, red bell peppers, freshly harvested pistachios, and my very special blend of herbs and spices. Then I pressed the mixture into a springform pan and tucked it into the oven. I think you'll agree it's a very captivating dish anyone would feel proud to serve, not only for its beauty, but also for its irresistible flavors. And for the perfect finishing touch, a roasted tomato aioli, a savory, smoky sauce I serve on the side. To make the sauce, I broil Roma tomatoes until tender, then put them in the blender along with cashews, garlic, smoked paprika, salt, and a splash of lemon juice. This beautiful dish makes a sensational centerpiece for Thanksgiving dinner and always leaves lingering memories of rich, ambrosial flavors. Vegan for the Holidays is available at vegparadise.com as well as local and online booksellers.